sales is an interesting way of stimulating demand. And also, there was a special case here where SpiceJet had been, in part, had become, because of the suspension of service, had become a little unreliable. And the perception was that, look, this is now a little unreliable. And so people had stopped to think of flying on SpiceJet. And by having these sales, what happened was that people who were otherwise skeptical about flying on SpiceJet all came back. So it allows people to sample SpiceJet again, to buy seats, sample SpiceJet again, and see that, look, it's all flying, it's all fine, right? So it was a means of actually getting people back into the SpiceJet fold, and that happened brilliantly through this process. We will be adding planes now. So as the airline stabilizes, we already have 55 planes on order with Boeing. And so we'll start to receive deliveries of those planes, and we will also explore the possibility of placing additional orders. This is a fantastic time to be in aviation, and it's a business I know. I have started this company, I know it well. I know what the issues are, I know what the problems are, I know what the solutions could be. And I have a great deal of support from the employees of SpiceJet, many of whom were hired by me. And so, with that passion and that energy, we can build this thing back. So great opportunity. It was at a very low value when I started. And thoda sa, I have to admit, there is a sense of social responsibility here. If the company had died, it would have been bad for the country, it would have been bad for the consumers, it would have been bad for employees of SpiceJet, and it would have been bad for the partners of SpiceJet. It was, very bad. From my perspective, it was very bad to see a brand that I built die. ATF price in India has declined, let's say 30%. So 30% जब ATF cost decline करती है, तो overall cost आपकी 13-14%, 15% decline करती है. So if when that happens, and if you can also work on reducing non-fuel costs by rationalizing stations, by rationalizing people, by improving certain other efficiency parameters, then you can make the airline profitable in a reasonably short period of time. And then the stock that was at 11 rupees and today is at, already in 1 month, has gone from 11 rupees to 23-24 rupees. So the stock value is more than doubled, and it can significantly increase as you make the airline stable and profitable.